Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook red herring. I bought the one that already skin come off. So I'm gonna cook it with plantain, ripe plantain, a piece of yellow yam, and unbleached flour with cornmeal. And all my ingredients here, it is for my red herring. So let me get started. My pot is already on the fire. I'm gonna turn it up to medium high. And I'm going to wash my hand, take care of my dumpling. Okay, I'm going to put a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of salt. This is our cook. Dumpling pot clean. Alright. Okay, my pot is boiling, so I'm gonna drop my dumpling in. Okay, cover my pot and get my yellow yam and my plantain ready. Okay, so I'm just gonna take off this part and cook my plantain with the skin. Okay, start my yellow yam. Nice piece of yam. Okay. I'm gonna scald my red herring off. You know it's salty, so I have to take off some of my salt. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna prepare my season for my garlic. Hot pepper. Okay, dropping my plantain in my pot now. Okay, this is my extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put a little in the pot. I'm gonna add my onion. Wow. My pepper. That is a hot pepper, you know. My green pepper. My orange pepper. My tomato. And my garlic. Okay. I'm gonna add my herring to my pot. Wow. Good. Okay, this is Mr. Dash. I'm gonna put a little, like half teaspoon. And this is another type. So I'm just gonna, yeah, that is good. And I'm gonna put some black pepper. Smell good too. Okay, I'm gonna make some carrot juice to have with my meal. So I'm just getting the carrot and the ginger prepared. Okay guys, I am finished and it looks so good. I'm gonna get the first eat. My husband is not home, but I'm gonna eat before he come, right? I'm gonna taste my dumpling. I'm telling you. Wow. Good. Very good. Remember to make my carrot juice. Wow, the ginger is right there. And the lemon. Very good. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Just leave a little note down the bottom. And leave the comments down the bottom. Okay? And I see you next time. Remember, share.